Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carol. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this neutral orange half cut crease. If you want to see how I got it, then please keep on watching. To start, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand. And I will be blending it with a flat top concealer brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to set the concealer using the Airspun translucent powder. I only set my eyelids when I'm going for something neutral. I think this gives the eye look a softer blended look. Starting with a bright orange, I'm applying it right onto my crease using the M441 brush from Morphe. I'm using a light hand, not really worrying about it going too far up towards my eyebrow, just because I do want it to look very nice and blended and I won't be adding too many colors on my crease. I think it seems like I'm blending forever, but really the key to having eye-catching, beautiful makeup is taking your time to blend everything. I'm also blending towards the outer corner of my eyelid so we can get that elongated, sexy eye. I picked up a light chocolate color and I'm focusing it right on my crease. I think these colors look really pretty together just because they're both warm colors, and when you put two warm colors together, they just blend really nicely into each other and they look beautiful. I also went back to the orange we used previously just to further blend and make sure the colors are coming together. To cut my crease, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair using the Morphe M421 mini concealer brush. Like y'all just saw, first I make the shape, then fill it in, and after I use a fluffy concealer brush to blend any streaks and so I can have a smooth surface for the eyeshadow. For the cut crease, I'm using a nude color. It has a slight pink orangey undertone, which I think will look really good since we are using orange base tone colors. And to apply it, I'm using a fluffy flat eyeshadow brush. On the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to be applying the same orange that we first put on the crease, also using the same brush, and I also blended this outer part when I cut my crease. I'm blending it further into the middle part of my eye, but I'm doing it very gently so we make sure we have a soft gradient effect. Now I'm going to use this RK by Kiss glitter primer and the Face and Body glitter in copper. I'm not sure what I was trying to show y'all here, maybe that the primer was smooth. But now I'm going to apply the primer and I'm only applying it on top of the gradient. I'm also using a very little amount of the glitter primer and also the glitter just so we have a nice subtle sparkle. I used my finger so I could have more control over the glitter. And to remove any glitter you might have on your face, you can use the sticky side of some tape. Now I'm going to be using this small smudge eyeshadow brush with some black eyeshadow to create a smoky eyeliner. And I'm starting on the center of my eye and extending it towards the outer corner, creating a wing. And doing this type of halfway eyeliner really gives your eyes that foxy cat eye type of effect. Here I'm just blending back and forth, nothing too precise. I will be cleaning the edge of the eyeliner with some concealer. Here I'm showing y'all that it's really creating that foxy eye look. Now I'm cleaning up under the eyeliner just so it looks nice and sharp. On my inner corner, first I applied a white shimmery shade, but I thought it didn't really look cohesive with the copper glitter, so I added some copper eyeshadow on top. And then I blended it with a pencil brush just so it doesn't look like two different colors on top of each other. Then using the same copper, I applied it onto my brow bone using a very small brush just so it's really nice and precisely there on the brow bone. Now I'm going to be applying my eyelashes, and I'm using that WetnWild mascara. Nothing too special here, but I just left it in so y'all can see me, you know, applying my eyelashes. I chose these really natural eyelashes just so they don't cover the eyeshadow. And to apply my eyelashes, I use the Clear Duo Lash Glue. Under my eye, I'm using the brush that I used for the smoky eyeliner, and I'm doing the same technique. I'm starting in the middle of my eye, and I'm not picking any more of the black eyeshadow, just so the under eye isn't too intense. On my waterline, I'm going to apply this brown eyeliner from WetnWild. Here I'm applying some mascara onto the fake eyelashes and also my bottom lashes. I'm doing this just so they merge together, they look natural, like I grew them. That is all for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys!